Alright, hello everyone. I am going to try to do a voiceover before everybody wakes up. My background is going to be some white cardstock, and this is my niece Natalie with my dad's dog Lola in 2010. That snowflake print is from American Craft Sweater Weather called Cozy. Sorry, I just got up. I slept in 2 hours. I never sleep till 6. The cards are from Great Paper Snow and Cocoa called Hot Cocoa. And that was from the November 2016 kit. And this kit is November 2017. And this is the first page I'm doing with that kit. So I cut these from that paper. And that chipboard frame fits perfectly over the polar bear card, so I'm gonna use that. But it is gonna cover up that little phrase that says, I think it said burr. So I think I'm looking for my scissors because it needed to be trimmed a little bit. Everything needs to be lined up perfectly. And then once they are, I'm going to use some chipboard stickers, which are Pink Fresh Studio December Days. And then I'm going to use some of the die cuts, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. There's the chipboard stickers I use. And those are the puffy stickers that are left over from... Oh no. Those left over from... Or did I not write that down? I did use some puffy stickers. These are the die cuts. Oh, sorry. And Patton. He can be such a pain. And he's off. So I just play around trying to figure out. I would like a deer since that card has trees in it. And he's back. And I'm gonna, of course, snow. I'd like to use some snowflakes. I wanted to use that somewhere, but it's so big. So I'm going to pull out these Hip Kit Club's phrase stickers, and those work well as finishing touches. Here we see. And so now I'm going to do my title. So the word snow is American Crafts doll thickers because it's glitter in it, and it makes it look like snow. And so then I have it being snow instead of so. I have snow much fun with Lola, and much fun with Lola is the Hip Kit Club's exclusive products. But the pink letters are from November's kit, November 2016 kit. And now I'm caught up on my kits, so I finished February, so I'm waiting on March. So now I have to use any scrapbooking I do. I use my stash, which I haven't done in forever. So that's cool. I used to use my silhouette to do pre-planning and scrap pictures that way, but I haven't done that in a long time too, and I'm kind of itching to do it. Because then it makes me use my silhouette more too. What do you need, Coco? You gonna look Patton's dish? No? Say Coco belly full. And then once I get my title down, that is pretty much all I do to this layout. I just have to play with it and figure out which placement looks best for the title, and then commit to it. And so that is what I'm doing now, putting on my title, and then I'm not sure if I use enamel dots. A lot of these I used enamel dots. And so once I get my title down, that pretty much completes my layout. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.